The nature of thought is a mysterious and a profound thing. It has the power to shape our reality, to bring us down or lift us up. But true spirituality lies in a realization that our thoughts are not who we are. They're simply a tool, a means of navigating this world. When we can detach from our thoughts and see them for what they are, we open ourselves up to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. We are not our thoughts. We are the consciousness that observes them. Cultivating a sense of inner peace and non-attachment creates the space where true spiritual growth and understanding can occur.